Welcome to the Hotel of the Future. Step into a world where innovation meets luxury, and every detail is designed to elevate your guest's experience. Imagine no longer having to waste time, money, and paper in printing and placing buffet tags. Switch to Panasonic's eSignCard. Imagine no shabby tent cards and placards at the reception. Let Panasonic's eSignCard guide your guests seamlessly. In the rooms and spa, eSignCard offers personalized content with guest names, check-in times, quick helpline numbers, making their stay uniquely special. Embrace a world where technology enhances your guest's experience. For events and conferences, Panasonic SignEdge solutions make for great digital standees.
Panasonic.